Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the time and the day on your LuxPro PSP511LCa thermostat in 2026. So if you have recently replaced the batteries, reset the thermostat or noticed the clock is incorrect, updating the time and the day only takes a few simple steps. So first of all, you need to take a look at the front of the thermostat, and here you just have to simply find this type of dial. So the PSP511LCa uses a speed dial which is designed, and all the clock settings are accessed through the set day and the time position. So you need to simply use this particular rotator, and you need to simply rotate the dial until it points to the set day and the time. So now when it does, you should see the set button appear. So on the display, when you see the set button, you just have to simply select that, and the current day of the week will begin flashing. So this indicates that the thermostat is ready for the day adjustments. So over here, you just have to simply use these up and the down arrow buttons in order to scroll down to the days of the week, and then you just have to simply select the day and continue until the correct day is displayed. So setting the correct day is really very important because the thermostat uses it when following the programmed heating and cooling schedules. Now when it does, you just have to simply press the next button once, and the day will stop flashing and the clock will begin flashing instead. So again, you need to use the up and the down buttons, and you just have to simply adjust the time as well. Just make sure of the AM and the PM times as well. So once the correct time displayed, you just have to rotate the dial back to the run, and your thermostat will save the settings automatically and return to the normal operation. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.